camera on me. You need to keep it on me.
Alright.
Not you.
Sorry.
This area seems as though it was hit with a tornado, and I believe it was. See how there's just things lying around. Back on me.
Sorry!
And these were the grain bins where they kept all the grain. Silver grain bins. Okay, now let's go back over here. I'm not really sure what all this stuff is, but that used to look like it went to a playground of some sort. What is Silver and Sturdy? They almost look like they used this. Go and find a tree. If you don't stop making me, I will hit you.
Ow!
Sorry.
That just hit me.
Face. Well, up here. I really feel like I'm on top of it. Hey, one second. You can come check out. Oh! Okay. Put the camera back on. Okay. Alright. All of this stuff that have like big rocks back over there, and they have a lot of trees right here. This surely looks like the best place that they probably had like a little playhouse or like a tree house or just a clubhouse. Just close. One huge mud hill. I'm not sure why it's there. Maybe it's I'm not really sure about it. Oh, let's go look over here. Oh, I just saw something moving in the grass. It's just like a little thing. I don't know.
Probably a garbage snake.
No,
Keep
it looked
going.
like it popped. It looked like a little frog.
Oh, cool.
Well,
You should not be afraid of this stuff, really.
I'm not afraid of it. I was gonna show it to them on the camera. I'm just afraid of that bat. Well, this looks like a junk pile. I see some new toys over there and stuff. Maybe someone came here recently and threw some stuff in the ceilings and some old things here.
Okay.
Bench, mattress or some sort, toys, a table, a refrigerator, with junk, and some other stuff, Ooh, a fire extinguisher. What can you do with that?
Break it.
You can't take it over.
Wow, you've accomplished so much.
I know. Look at all that barren field. That's a waste. Now all it is crows and sometimes deer. I wish there was some deer out right now. They don't normally come out during the day, being they are nocturnal animals. Well, I suppose we better head back. I mean, it's getting kind of windy, and I'm still a little bit scared of that bat from the last episode. So, bye-bye!